Do you know by 2027, employers will need 87.7 million of project management professionals? Sounds exciting, right? Well, it is. The project management industry is booming and continuously looking for professionals who can successfully manage the project. Project management strategy is the main key to project success. However, the project success will also depend on the type of project site. Depending on the site of the project is usually categorized into two groups: Brownfield project and Greenfield project. If you are wondering about the difference between the Brownfield project and the Greenfield project, then you have come to the right video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Whether it's a Brownfield or Greenfield project, project management is an active element in the implementation of a company's strategic intent, and increases the company's competitive advantage. However, depending on the type of sites, the project management approach varies. You cannot apply the same management style to both types of projects. So, it is crucial to understand the difference between Greenfield and Brownfield project management. So, what is Greenfield project? Greenfield is a commonly used word to describe a new project. A Greenfield project is one that lacks constraints imposed by prior work on the site. Typically, what a Greenfield project entails are development on a completely vacant site. A Greenfield project is constructed on unused land, where there is no need to remodel or demolish an existing structure. Some examples of Greenfield projects are new factories, power plants, or airports that are built from scratch. The advantages of Greenfield investments include increased investor control relative to investing in an existing local business, as well as the opportunity to form marketing partnerships and avoid intermediary costs. So, that is about the Greenfield project. Then, what is Brownfield project? Brownfield projects refer to projects of expansion, or revamping, or services on an existing facility. A Brownfield project is one that carries constraints related to the current state of the site. It is a property that is either contaminated, or that people think might be contaminated. Common examples of brownfields include former gas stations, metal plating facilities, and dry cleaners. Brownfield development includes land that has previously been contaminated or used by industrial waste that has now become vacant and unused. The concept of brownfield and greenfield is not only limited to engineering and construction projects. It is also applicable to software and IT projects. Greenfield software project is like developing a brand new software application, where the team gets to choose the architecture, the platform, and all other technologies. The team starts from the ground up with the discovery and scoping process and helps to strategize the appropriate technologies and design aspects. After working on developing new iterations to resolve operational issues identified in testing, and when the team has a final product, the team plan for the launch. A brownfield software project, however, begins with an end-to-end code audit to gather a full understanding of the basis from which the team is building. This research gives the team the information needed to determine the future path of the project, to take the unfinished software to a point of completion. So, that is the difference between a greenfield and a brownfield project. If you'd like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.